Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be looking into global variables. Okay, so global variable can be accessed within collection or even outside the collection. So let's say you have two different collections. Okay, you can access the global variable in both the collections. So let's say I create here a similar this URI. Okay, for now, okay, let me keep this as just URL so that we can understand the difference. Okay, and let me go back to the collection, and here let me change this to URL. Okay, hover on this, you will see G stand for global. Okay, so this is how you can make use of the global variable. So let me put this back, and let's make use of this global variable in another collection. Let's say pet store we created. Okay, so let's take this out and put here URL. Okay, so here also you will see that you can make use of the global variable. So when there is a need that you have to use your variable cross collections, then use global variables. It is very helpful. So we have learned so far the environment variable, which can be used within the collection, and then the global variable, which can be used in multiple collections. Okay, and it is globally accessible. That's all for this video.